On this opportunity, I have a chance to visit a flower garden to kill the boredom of staying at home. Even though I urge you to always do stay at home. I visit a garden during the weekdays and with hope that few visitors will come on that day. I visit Mekarsari flower garden, which is already known by most of Indonesian who lives in Jakarta and its surrounding area. The place is not quite far from Jakarta city and only around 1 hour drive with smooth highway. I have planned this trip a couple of weeks ago and just got the chance today. I'm also curious about what is inside the garden look like. Starting from the entrance gate, I see a lush landscape with flowers surrounding it. As always, a greenery view makes me always stay calm and chill out the day. I can also see the belly-style main gate in the front of the garden. Actually, this is the other gate that will be used for anticipating high season visitors. Looking up to those tree and the falling leaves brought me to another world of happiness. As if all the trouble that may exist could disappear instantly. No other pleasure as it is to compare to another experience. I also surprised that there is a tree house inside the garden. I'm curious to explore its surrounding, even though the tree house actually designed and made with cement for its artificial tree. But still, all of its surrounding is real. I also visit a fruit area and try a puddle fruit. It is soft and sweet. You've got to taste it. We keep on moving along the tree-lined path within the garden and see how beautiful the scenery would be. The forest tree seemed to be very nice and cozy. I keep on tasting the sapodilla fruit from the farmer and they have a stand to offer the sapodilla. I never imagined that there is a lake inside the garden. The lake is already designed for water ski. From the distance I can see a water skiing board in the middle of the lake. Most of the edge of the lake already covered by plants. Almost all of the lake edge covered by green plant, but be careful, you could slip down to the edge. We continue to walk along the garden and there is food keeper shop where we have a chance to give the animals some food provided there. I give the birds some food along the path. Suddenly they fly towards me. What a happy thing. Look at those birds, a rare view in the city that I live in. It's a dove and it's beautiful to see them line up standing on the fence even though the atmosphere is quite warm and a little bit hot. These rabbits and hamsters are also waiting for each visitors to come to feed them, as well as the hedgehog. Look at those pair of doves walking on the ground by the horse stable. They try to find a community in the other side of the stable area near the fence. They eat a lot that day. This dairy farm remodel reminds me of one of the best television program long time ago, but I couldn't recall its title. I also moved to the front of the garden office, where there is a statue of well-known influential person at the time who established the Mekarsari garden. And also, the garden has a huge Japanese statue describing the life story in the past. I don't know exactly the story about. I moved to a front side of the garden, where I can find some fruit specimens and circle around for a bit. The signpost is clear enough, showing every part of the garden. There is also a 3D trick art which I like to see, but unfortunately it's still closed. I begin to feel starving. I think it's time to go for a lunch. We stopped for a lunch in Honeycomb Cafe, which is not far away from the garden. It has an interesting design and decoration. I ordered an ice cream pancake and dairy-fused fried rice. The cafe has a unique design and good food, but during the pandemic, the visitor is not as much as usual. I think most of the cafe experiencing the same circumstances. I just enjoy the chocolate ice cream pancake, which is combined with nuts. The taste is excellent. And don't forget dairy-fused fried rice.